Good morning. Good morning. Your friend here, Tyler Allen here. Wanted to talk to you today about a new opportunity with Three in the network marketing space, proactive wellness, health and wellness. Three is in the PDR, the physician's desk reference or physician's digital reference, which means if any doctors go to look up a supplement, a drug, anything to prescribe to somebody, they're there, meaning they have to pass scrupulous test to be available and to be able to refer for physicians to refer these products out. So that's really good about this opportunity for one. There's some of the best products. It's a brand new ground floor opportunity. They just launched in 14 countries. There's 100 more countries to follow. So if you've heard of any other network marketing companies in the past, which there's a plethora, especially in the health and wellness space, but none of them are in the PDR. They've been around for years and years with hundreds of thousands and more people involved in them. You would be at the top of this opportunity. It's work from home, work from anywhere. This is why network marketing, I believe, is just a wonderful profession for anyone, maybe working in a job right now, obviously building somebody else's income, paying, living check to check, not having time to see friends, family, commuting to work, miserable task, just no purpose involved. This would give you purpose because it's around health and changing people's lives. The supplements that are involved with Three are they patented a cellular absorption technology with isometric technology, meaning that they actually get into the cells is where supplements actually are beneficial for us. And all the other supplements that you see out there, I mean, even your multivitamins that are on your shelves in whatever store you shop in, there's so many other additives and fillers that your body just kind of gets rid of, and the cells never get the nutrients that are in these supplements to actually benefit you. And a lot of the times they're harming your gut with what's are in these products. So when your gut is either inflamed or maybe even a leaky gut syndrome, it's just really bad for us as humans. And this happens through the food that we eat, and even the supplements we think are helping us are actually just hurting us. So that's the other part of this being great opportunity, is that the product you can really get behind and believe in. Now, when it comes to network marketing, I'm a business guy. My wife's a real estate agent. I've been in mortgage for 10 years, but I've also had a painting company for 7 years. Now, when the market goes crazy, like in real estate or mortgage rates, it's hard to make money. It's good when rates are low. People are buying and selling houses. It's been good the last couple of years, but now we're in one of those times where it's hard to find jobs. So I fell back on painting. I figured out Google. I love business. I actually let my mortgage license go. So I'm just focusing on painting because it's paying my bills and it's my business. I control it. AffordableAction.com if you want to check it out, here in St. Augustine, Florida. That's me. Do a ton of work here, and it's felt good to be able to own something, right? Now I do have to work hard. I have to show up. I have to be communicating all the time. I have to do the job right. Anything that messes up, it's on me. I don't have any employees yet, but looking to build that out over the next few years and expand that company to go alongside with our real estate company. But I'm really excited about this because I'm also in insurance as well. So there's a lot more into this, but I've researched these businesses where you can get residual income. And residual income is meaning that you sell something once and get paid over it for as long as the client's active. Like in insurance, they keep paying their policy, or in network marketing, you have your downline and they're selling products that are great for other people, helping other people. And that's why I love this, because you can sell something one time, but have a customer for life. And then over time, as it builds and builds and builds, while you're working from home, spending time with kids, spending a few hours a day working your business. In the beginning, you may have to spend a little more to get it started, or, if you're passionate about it, it won't even feel like work. But anyways, over time, this builds, and one day, you just have checks coming in passively and residually. And that's what really we're all after. Because if you work for a job, or let's say you buy real estate, or if you're in insurance, these are really the only ways you can get residual income if you're not like an actor or an artist, where you have movies or, production pieces that last even when you die. This is residual income. So when you pass away, income still comes in. Now, this is a way to do this for your family. And another way too is becoming an entrepreneur and building this type of income and business rather than taking your hard-earned money and put it in a 401k that gets clipped 50% when the market changes, and then you have to wait another 10 years for it to build back up. You can do that as well, which is great. Always invest your money into, I think, the right vehicles. I don't like the stock market. I like businesses, because businesses will always pay us and we can grow them and then make a lot more money than we'll ever be paid slowly investing over time. I think that's something that you want to couple with it. Once you get enough passive income, you want to invest a certain amount to grow and grow as well, to get paid dividends off that too. But this is really just a network marketing video, why it's the best business. And too many people, want to say that, oh, it's a pyramid scheme. Well, you're in a pyramid. Everything is a pyramid. You're making your CEO rich, not you. You're not the CEO of your life or your business. So, if you think it's a pyramid scheme, you've been mistaken. It's probably somebody told you that because they tried something and then the person that got them in the business didn't do anything. I'm here to help you get off the ground very quickly with a plug and play system here at 3. And we can show you all of that, go through everything for you. Yes, it's a minimal investment. There's different, size packages depending on what your budget is. But, regardless, you got to pay a lot when you open a business, and this is way less and way more tools in place, for you to succeed than you would opening your own business, trying to do it all yourself, and especially in the supplement space with all the tools and available, especially the products. So, anyways, if someone's on the fence, if you have a calling of being an entrepreneur, putting more time back in your life, getting some extra income, getting that residual income over time, being able to travel, work from anywhere around the world, well, this is the opportunity for you. I'm here to help you in any way, so DM, comment, wherever you see this video. I'd love to help. I'm here. I want to help as many other people get rich, just like I want to get rich. But the other thing too that I didn't mention is the personal development aspect of network marketing that you're not getting in any other company you work for, or probably any business that you run. You have to do a lot of personal development to be successful in business. I really don't care who you are, and personal development within businesses, being able to, getting rid of fear, reaching out to people, practicing your language, being a good speaker, knowing what things to say and not to say to these people, and things like that. You learn all of this, sales, recruiting, management, everything, through a network marketing company for free, as a part of it. So rather than paying some mentor tens of thousands of dollars to try and figure something out, it's all right there while you're making money, while you're learning and growing, that you can use in so many other aspects of your life. So too many benefits not to join, not to get started, not to take the leap. You got to get out of your own way, or you're never going to get the dreams you have. I think we all as humans have the same dreams, whether it may be a lot of money, to help more, have nice things, spend more time with family, be fit, be a person of value. I think we all try to achieve these things in life, and I'm giving you a ticket right here to do that. If you've been, probably looking around like, man, it's just a lot of work to do these days, a lot of competition. Well, that's why insurance and real estate, I think network marketing is the best, because there's not a lot of competition. It doesn't take a long time at all. You don't need a lot of money. And it's just perfect, So hope this helps. Give it a shot. I look forward to speaking with you, helping you, growing with you. I'm Tyler here in St. Augustine, Florida. You can find me soberservants.com. I've got a link to the opportunity here in the comments or bio or wherever you see this again. Affordableaction.com too. Like I said, I just want you to know, love, and trust me. I love you. And like I said, can't wait to meet you. Let's get it.